pushing to get it. Got a question, you with us, you whiz or you wizard. I'm in a pushing the limits. Better finish the race. Who's watching the minutes? Sharp as a razor with it. Feeling enraged, you know what it takes to win it. I want a cave forgiven. I had a razor villagers, major minutes. So I'm stopping at nothing. You see me, it's not a discussion. I'm dumping and dumping. Had to stop the percussion. It's scary, but stop with the pumpkins. I've had enough of the lunches. Sitting with all the suits corrupted. Telling me all I could be, I erupted. Trying to stop this. Now watch this.
I never thought I would see another golden age of anything. This is the golden age of plastic neutrality.
They say I couldn't, I did it again. Watch this. Watch this.
We have over 30 factories in the pipeline. This will continue to go on as we have the goal to produce 800,000 tons or 1 billion liters of oil by 2030.
This certificate, it says that we recycle the plastic waste and we sell it to petrochemical companies.
We're changing the platforms to such an extent that we're going to be able to expand and grow exponentially moving forwards.
A single pyrolysis reactor is able to remove from the environment more than 100,000 kilos of plastic waste per month. And we are by far the fastest growing company in the industry of plastic waste recycling and the industry of plastic credits.
Grazie mille tutte Bari! So if you are looking for a long-term business opportunity, you found one.
They want us to come over as quickly as possible. It's definitely kicking off in the US.
This standard called Corsair Plastic Waste Removal Standard. We developed this standard with the world-renowned company called Control Union.
New payment gateway for Amplivo. We've been working for 6 weeks to provide this. It's going to give you a local bank account to deposit into your online cash account.
We basically have what we call a magic box. And when we put other people's garbage in from the other side, money comes out from the other side.
We are going to be here for decades because there's so much to do. And we are going to do it.
Colombia, this is going to be our first project in Latin America. It's going to be our first brand new location.
We are one of the first company in Southeast Asia, not just Thailand, that have this certification.
You've heard about Corsair, about oil, about plants, about us changing the world. None of that would have happened or even been spoken about if it wasn't for you guys.
We are able to clean our planet from all this plastic garbage that is killing it. And even better, we are able to help hundreds of thousands, in the future, millions of people to improve their lives.
I know that there are many of you in the room today who have been in different network marketing companies and they've not lasted very long. So if you're fed up of having to change your company every 2 or 3 years, welcome to Amplivo.
We have been working hard, and I want to show you where we stand today in over 31 projects in the pipeline.
CSR plastic credit is digital receipts that prove that plastic has been recycled from environment.
I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about what Amplivo is, about what it's been, where it's come from. And the reason you're all here is because Amplivo works.
Corsair Capital, which is a public company in the Netherlands, will now be made available for public investors from Europe to become shareholders in Corsair Group.
And these are the first 3 new reactors that we installed. In the next 2.5 years we will expand this total facility all the way up to maximum capacity with 50 reactors.
We recycle third-party verification. In the blockchain, everybody can verify. And now when you want to use it, you have third-party verify it as well. 3 extra layers.
And the new payment gateway company will provide us with local bank accounts around the world so you can do instant deposits straight onto your online cash account.
And in the next 30 years, plastic waste will be recycled in exactly the same way how we are today recycling glass and metal and paper. There is going to be a €1 trillion annual industry created.
You've got the product that everyone needs and nobody has. This really is an opportunity to help clean up the plastic pollution and to do something for your own quality of life.
Because under this certification, they will come and check whether you recycle the plastic waste or not. This certification, it's definitely proof that we do what we said.
Today we say 2 to 3 days to complete your KYC process. Once this is outsourced, it will happen in a matter of 2 to 3 minutes. 180 seconds is the average.
When you, as an Amplivo partner, advance in your star rank levels, we will give you free of charge, as a bonus, shares in the company. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Then I have news. This is exclusively an announcement here in France. This is going to be a collaboration with a new offtake partner, Corsair Energy.
Like we say, Corsair, Corsair Energy, developing a cleaner future globally.
CSR plastic credit is a digital receipt. It's operated in the most trustworthy, transparent, verifiable database called blockchain.
They offer a commitment that if you supply the details correctly, then 24 hours a day, they'll turn around your KYC in 180 seconds, 3 minutes.
For many people, this will most probably be the biggest opportunity in their lives to succeed and to also build financial freedom.
And in our academy, we have all the presentations and all the trainings that you need to become successful for you, so that you can help people and companies to become plastic neutral. There's no limit.
Colombia, 2 months to announce in the next 2 months that we will get started over there. This is a large plot, 40,000 square meters, where we can build 15 to 20 reactors.
If you know today that tomorrow Steve Jobs would announce iPhone, the phone that changed the world, wouldn't you want to be part of it today?
Just to finish on that point, organisations need lots and lots and lots of CSR. Some of the numbers are huge.
Because when we started this business, we had one foundational principle, which was that if we build something together, then we are also going to own it together. This industry will become a multi-billion euro industry. And there's going to be a large group of millionaires and multi-millionaires created as a result of that. But because of our unique business model, every single person around the world can now be part of this unique opportunity. Thank you all very much for being part of this amazing journey. Thank you.
Thank you.